In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a color-coded drop-down list in Excel. To follow along, open the Excel file where you want to use the drop-down. You can use a blank sheet or an existing file, but make sure you know which column will hold your drop-down list. It helps to have your data organized first, so if you're tracking things like status, priority, or categories, have a clear idea of the options you want. Start by setting up the list of choices that will appear in the drop-down. A good practice is to put these in a separate area on the same sheet, or even on another sheet, so they're out of the way. For example, in a small table, type each option in its own cell. One option per row in a single column. This makes it easier to maintain and update later. Next, we'll turn those values into an actual drop-down. First, select the cells where you want users to be able to choose from the list. With those cells highlighted, go up to the Data tab on the ribbon. Look for Data Validation and click it. In the window that appears, change the Allow box to List. In the Source field, instead of typing the options manually, select the range where you just typed your list values. Confirm, and now those cells will have a drop-down arrow. Click a cell and check that you can see and pick from your new list. Now, let's add the color coding using conditional formatting. Reselect the same cells that contain your new drop-down. Go to the Home tab and click Conditional Formatting. Choose the option to create a new rule. Select the rule type that lets you format cells based on their contents. We want to format cells that are equal to a specific text value. In the box provided, type the first option exactly as it appears in your list. Then click the Format button and choose a fill color that matches how you want that option to stand out. Click OK to apply. Repeat this process for each item in your list. Create a new rule, match it to that specific text, and assign a unique color. When you're done, anytime you change the drop-down value in a cell, the background color will automatically update to match your rules. This setup makes it much easier to scan your sheet visually and spot patterns at a glance. And if you ever need to change the options, update your source list and adjust or add new conditional formatting rules to keep everything consistent.